Hello everybody. Today I am going to be creating this card. This card was inspired by Miriam Crafter. I saw her card a while ago on Instagram, and I will have a link to her Instagram which will take you to her blog. I'm not for sure if she has a YouTube channel. I tried to look for one. I couldn't find one before doing this voiceover, but you could definitely go check her Instagram page out. She makes the most gorgeous cards. Before I get into how I created the card, I did want to say that when creating this card, I was thinking about how all of you guys on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere that I look and I see all of your gorgeous projects, you guys inspire me. And so when I used the Altenew Crafty Friends stamp set, I chose that sentiment because you guys all inspire me, and I love that we can all inspire each other, and it's just amazing how we are all from all over the world and we have this one thing in common, and it's just amazing to me. I am doing a little hidden giveaway, so if you leave a comment down below and tell me what either your favorite video has been of mine or my favorite technique, just share something so that people won't get the idea that there's a giveaway. I want it to be for people that actually watch my whole videos, and because I do appreciate you guys. So just leave a comment down below and you'll be entered to win a $25 gift card to scrapbook.com. All right, so with that everything out of the way, I am using the Spellbinders Stamp and Die template set. And this one's the Cosmic Feathers. I've used it before on more of a mixed media project, but I love it. And I stamp the feathers and some of the little flowers onto some Strathmore watercolor paper. And I use VersaMark ink, which is a very sticky ink. And I stamp it each feather twice so that the ink is so I get a really nice impression basically, and the stamp platform really helps with that because then I can get it perfectly on where I stamped it last. And I just do the stamping in a row, and I use some super fine white embossing powder to emboss the feathers and also the little flowers. And then I heat set it so that it melts it, and then it creates a nice emboss resist. And now I am adding some color, and I'm using my Daniel Smith extra fine watercolor color chart, and you can see there's 240 colors on this chart, and I will have listed down below the exact colors that I used just in case you just want to pick those up. You can also head on over to my website where I have a coordinating blog post where you could see actual pictures of the colors and everything else that I've used, just in case you're more of a visual person. So again, I'm just going in with color. So I am using a Arteza watercolor brush. I got these recently, and I will have a link to the review on these in the upper right hand corner. So I'm just going to continue to add water and then add the color, and going back and forth between the blue grays and the pink purplish colors. I don't really have any more explanation because I am going for a really messy look. I'm not going for perfectly colored feathers. So I'm going to play some music and I will be back shortly. Alright, so I'm just going to give you guys a little up close look at the stamp set. It says happy crafting, crafty friends are the best friends. I love my crafty life and my crafty friends. Make a beautiful mess today. My soul is fed with stamps and ink. You inspire me. You add creativity to my life. You are so talented. Do something creative every day. So many wonderful sentiments. And they do have a Crafty Friends stamp set 2, I believe. And I will link that down below as well. I stamped the sentiment out on some watercolor paper with Onyx or VersaMark Onyx black ink, and it's really nice, solid black. I wanted a nice stamped sentiment. So I cut down my watercolor page or panel, whatever you call it, and just so that it fits on a card base. And you could see that I had torn the bottom of the page, and it just gives a little bit more interest to the card, and because I knew this was going to be a more simpler card, so I wanted just to add something else to the card. So when I stamped in the beginning, it was already torn just so that I can get a cool effect with the watercolors and the embossing powder. And now I add it to the card base, and I add a little bit of vellum where it's ripped, or it's where it's kind of angling up a little bit on the left hand side. And then I add my sentiment with some foam, and I add some splatters. I do white, and then some pink purple color, and then some black. So that is going to complete my card. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I hope that you guys leave me a comment down below. And here is a couple more videos you might enjoy. I really appreciate it when you guys share my videos and leave me comments and like my videos. It really helps me out. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye!